It started with roads. We've built a few of them around the country, including New Zealand's first motorway. But we've all come a long way since. How we travel, how we commute, and how we connect. Things have changed, and we've grown with it. Today, Downer New Zealand's transport business builds and maintains roads, rail, ports, and airports. From Whangarei to Bluff, and in the Chatham Islands and the Pacific, our team keeps communities connected. We deliver transport solutions across Aotearoa, from small civil construction to the country's largest project. We recognise the power of technology, and we're using it to lead the way. Our teams at Road Science deliver innovative products and services developed and supported by engineering science. We use a mobile mapper that travels across the country, offering high-speed surveying in motion, while our use of digital engineering helps provide real-time information and innovative data-driven solutions for our customers. Our intelligence transport systems use the latest technology to improve safety and efficiency across our roading network. And our team on the Milford Road Alliance are the guardians of the road leading up to Milford Sound, keeping the area safe from avalanches, road slips and rockfall. We understand the environmental impact of the industry, and we work daily to do things better. By exploring alternate fuels and increasing our electric vehicle fleet, we're reducing our carbon footprint. Our Green Vision team recycles and repurposes our construction waste, making sure we maximise use of our materials. We're an industry leader in fleet management, offering whole-of-life vehicle and mobile plant management. Our team is made of experts. They're the best at what they do, managing roading networks and traffic, surfacing works, line marking, and building and designing streetscapes and cycleways. And we're always looking at new and better ways to connect people. We're proud of our programs that build talent in the communities we serve, and we design our contracts to encourage true innovation and collaboration, all while working to serve the community. Our transport team builds and maintains the arteries of the country, connecting the communities of Aotearoa. So the next time you land on a runway, drive to your favourite beach, or bike to your secret spot, we like to think we were part of your journey.